If a guy is actually looking for one night stand, how will he get it?
Generally, people don't do it.
Something which I'll do after marriage.
When we can have Kama Sutra, why not one night stands?
हम दो मिले तो घटिया ही ले.
What's up? Welcome to the most entertaining show of all time, Street Flicks. अब मैं आपका दोस्त और host entertainment का double dose Duke Boss. आइए मेरे साथ on the street of Kolkata. Let's see how people in Kolkata react to our questions. And are you ready for the fun? What's up, guys? So here I have two beautiful ladies. Okay, what is one night stand to you?
एक रात सोना.
One night stands are something which is supposed to be fun and casual.
It's basically having benefits.
We shouldn't do it. It's just going and fucking around with people and
I don't do quite often. I don't get any girl, man.
giving yourself for one night, just having fun maybe for one night. Boring. No idea about one night stand.
I would say fun with my friends, very close friends, like doing something insane.
No comments.
Advantages.
No, it's the best thing one can have after a party.
It's fun and like benefits and advantages at its peak. Mutual fun. I mean, if someone gets into it or someone really falls and then things happen, you know what I mean.
I've never done it. I'm a virgin, dude.
I would say that this is not something which I would prefer. Same.
It's very much casual, I think, and one's personal choice.
Not my cup of tea.
Presently.
Not done this.
One night stand को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
One night stand.
एक रात सोना किसी के भी साथ.
एक रात सोना.
एक रात मस्ती करना.
एक रात का
One night punishment. एक रात खड़े रहो.
No, I meant it in some other way.
रात गई बात गई.
रात कहीं बात भी गई.
Copy cat.
रात नहीं गई.
प्रॉपर्ली अगर ट्रांसलेट करें तो एक रात खड़ा होना.
एक रात का एंटरटेनमेंट.
एक रात खड़ा.
खरा, एक रात खरा.
एक रात बकवास. एक रात गुजारना.
एक रात खड़ा होना.
एक रात की बात.
एक रात की मस्ती.
एक रात की मुलाकात.
हम दो मिले तो घटिया ही ले.
What is your view on one night stand? Like,
अरे यार, वन नाइट स्टैंड में क्या बोलना है? सबको तो पता है क्या होता है.
I think if I don't think according to society, it is something that I guess all the teenagers might get involved into.
It's okay, लोगों को जो करना है करने दो. सोसाइटी को नहीं होता इसके बारे में सोचने वाली.
If you have a bad ex, then why not? Go on. I just said it is all bakwas, and if you generally people don't do it until they are drunk.
Something which I'll do after marriage, bro. I'll just make out before that.
Same.
is it against our Indian culture? क्या ये हमारे देश के जो culture है उसके against है?
सोसाइटी के अगेंस्ट.
Not at all. No.
When we can have Kama Sutra, why not one night stands?
Yeah. It's against, but
You can say that it's against our Indian culture, but it's very normal. I mean, times change, people change. I think the change will come.
Indian culture, yeah, maybe. I think so. I think most of us, but now since the society is becoming open-minded,
Yes, of course it is. Like, no one actually accepts this over here.
yeah,
Very much.
sure.
I mean, like, it depends on the two people who are sharing benefits. If they don't have a problem, why should society have problems? Yeah.
it's a mutual thing. So if we are agreeing to the fact, then it's no problem.
Everything is against our Indian culture, even the clothes that we are wearing. But then our Indian culture is little too strict and little too backward at the moment, so we do not follow it.
It's normal. People who like it, they do it. People who don't, they just say that it's not my cup of tea. So it's okay.
Everyone's perspective. It's just the difference is that our parents are just extremely, I mean, way too possessive for us. So, I mean, it is a bad thing, but it is also a good thing because you know how people are here, and then yeah. But we shouldn't really care because if we know we can take care of ourselves, then what else?
Not according to me, but then in India it is. People don't accept it.
हाँ, मतलब सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है, लेकिन लोग करते हैं, so it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
This has been done previously even. मतलब पहले भी तो ये सब historically तो होता ही था. तो it's not against Indian culture.
But वो officially होता था actually. Yeah, like kings having 2-3 wives and all.
If a guy is actually looking for one night stand, how will he get it?
Oh my god. how he'll get that? Like, he'll just
Get the girl drunk.
Okay.
But that's very bad. But still, that's the like quickest and easiest way, I guess.
They shouldn't. I mean, the answer is always no. They shouldn't try to tackle it.
and I pity the girl who gets that guy.
Never face such a situation.
He'll go to a pretty girl and maybe just try to flirt and
Smartly approach करना, कुछ offer करना.
I think it's straight up question.
He can download Tinder. Tinder works.
He should look hot. He should wear nice clothes, and he should come up with great pickup lines.
maybe he can just lie to her that I'll be with you forever and then just walk away the next morning. Yeah.
टैलेंट इम्प्रेस करना होगा पहले बहुत अच्छी तरह से इम्प्रेस करना होगा ऑनेस्ट रहना चाहिए
वन नाइट स्टैंड मिल जाएगा
लाइक
You have talent, some different way, or else no one will.
नो वन विल लाइक घास में नहीं डालेगा
Sonar Gachi.
Don't have any idea about that.
Innocent one.
So to wrap, guys, I hope you all had fun, and if you really had fun, don't go anywhere. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like our video. And if you have anything to say, please drop a comment in the comment box, and don't go anywhere because we are coming to you right through this channel. Until then, keep loving us.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
Are you mine tomorrow or just mine tonight? No matter what you choose us all the day and night. And keep sharing and keep loving.
What's up?